If you're someone who's thinking about getting their septum piercing but wants to know more information before actually doing it, then you are watching the right video. Hey guys, we're here from Luz, and we're all about creating unique ear styles to help you stay trendy while expressing your personal style. In this video, I will explain to you guys 5 facts you need to know about septum piercing. Let's begin. Fact number 1 on the list is, of course, the location of the septum piercing is located on your nose, not on your nostrils, but right in that center part right here. Of course, here's a quick fact on that one is it does not go through that hard cartilage area. There's a sweet spot, the kind of like a skin feeling area. It goes through that spot. So if you get pierced through that bone cartilage area, you got pierced incorrectly. Fact number 2 is jewelry. There's a lot of cool options you can buy for jewelry. We're talking about clickers, horseshoes, or circular barbells, hinge jewelry, etc., etc. One of my personal favorites is a beautiful 14 karat gold front crystal hinge ring, which is absolutely gorgeous. Fully 14 karat gold. So you're talking about fine jewelry, you're talking about quality. Centering the crystals all in front of you, so when you do wear them, it kind of shines, it looks good, and it's high quality. If gold's not your thing, the second one up to this product is the titanium version of this product, the titanium front Swarovski crystal hinge ring. This piece is exactly similar to the gold one, but just in a different material. So the titanium option, more cost effective, but it's still high quality, containing 0 nickel, and it's hypoallergenic, and is what we use in our piercing studios for piercing. So just as beautiful, just in a different metal, absolutely gorgeous. We have these ones, we have opals, we have clickers, we have stuff with clusters, we have so many more you can choose from. You can always shop by clicking up here or checking out luzbody.com. There is worldwide shipping, and you can shop till you drop. Fact number 3, things to be careful for. Now with the septum piercing, be careful of touching with it, playing with it, messing around. If you have dry crusties on there, don't pick at it because it will hurt. What you want to do is get some warm water, clean it off correctly, and of course any kind of submersion of water. We're talking about swimming, going inside a pool, ocean, lake, stream, river. You want to avoid for the first 3 to 4 weeks, but please do still take a shower. It is still a fresh open wound, so you don't want any kind of foreign bacteria to lodge up in there and cause any kind of issues or problem. Especially if you are sick, it's going to be a magnet for boogers and mucus, so make sure you clean off thoroughly. It might hurt and be sensitive if you do get sick. You want to blow your nose and stuff because it's so sensitive and new. If it's fresh, other than that, you should be a-okay. Just be patient. Number 4 is healing time. Now with the septum piercing, general time is looking about 6 to 9 months. Some people heal faster, some people take longer here. There's just a general healing time. So if you do heal a lot more quicker, bravo, bravo. But for most of us, it does take a little bit longer. You do want to be patient. Other than that, I would recommend rewatching the video so you follow the steps correctly and you are a-okay. Fact number 5 is aftercare. Of course, you want to use a saline wound wash solution, no alcohol, no peroxide, no oils, serums, nothing that's intended or not specifically designed for your piercing. In some cases with this one, you can put a very small amount of Neosporin to kind of like lube up the area to kind of move it back and forth, because sometimes if it does get dry, it can really like tear through your skin or kind of hurt. But other than that, all you need is a saline. Clean it morning, at night, just spray on the cuticle directly, clean the inside and the outside, and you'll be good to go. Last but not least, the quick bonus fact for you guys is the pain. Like I said previously on the first fact, you do not want to go through that cartilage area or that hard part, like the bony part, because it's not supposed to go through there. As far as pain goes, a lot of our clients say the most pain they feel is through the clamps, not the actual needle going through. And of course, it is connected to your tear ducts. So when you do get a piercing, you're gonna automatically have some tears coming down your eye. Don't worry. It's okay, you're not really crying, it's just your tear ducts. And the cool thing about this one is you can always flip it up and hide it from your parents, your staff, your friends, or at work. You're welcome. If you're thinking about getting your rook piercing and you want to know more information about that and learn 5 facts about a rook piercing, then I suggest you watch this video right over here. Click that card and it'll be directed to that video. Learn 5 facts about a rook piercing.